Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, we would like to take this time to say welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Today we are making a Mr. and Miss wine glass for a wedding, anniversary, or even a special event. So if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. For this project, you will need 2 wine glasses, 1 spool of crystal wrap, Mod Podge, a sponge brush, and a crystal brooch. All materials that we use will be written in the description bar below this video. We are using a glue gun mixed with Mod Podge, and it's only for time's sake. If you desire to make this permanent using Mod Podge, Epoxy by Gorilla, or Gorilla Glass Glue, or E6000, we highly recommend it. This part is very important, so you want to take your time to wrap your wine glass so that it can yield a very defined and finished look in the end. You're going to continue to wrap your wine glass until the stem of the wine glass is completely covered. Now we are adding a brooch onto the mist wine glass to give it that delicate look. Now we're moving on to the Mr. wine glass, and we are just going to wrap the stem of the wine glass until it's completely covered in the crystal wrap. And we won't put a brooch on the Mr. wine glass because we still want to give it that masculine look. So this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so that you will receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.